Alright, well this is September the 2nd, and we're going to look at a video that Roy Marko's garage put up just this morning on September the 2nd. He says the mailbag gets open. So we are going to look at this and play that.
Hey YouTube, Roy Marko with Roy Marko's Garage, coming to you today with mail call. I've accumulated a pile of letters here, and I've been really anxious to open them, but I've been so busy. Okay, so my first letter is from Grant at Straight 6 Fan. Let's open that one up and see what I got here. Okay, I got a letter. Oh, that's
I
cool.
really like his orange hair.
Read that off here.
And orange beard.
Straight 6 Fan sticker. That's going to have to go on this card for sure. Roy, sorry it has taken like forever to get this over to you. Trying to get better watching money in, money out situations. For the YouTube account, so the 21st is payday for me. Thanks so much for all your support. So anyway, Straight 6 Fan.
I like his hashtag there.
Thank you, Grant.
I like
That's
that.
awesome.
Community, not competition.
On my Hudson for the trip, so.
I like
Iron
that.
Horse Garage. So.
I really
Again,
just appreciate his attitude. Mr. Marko has been so good to us. Man, I like his flaming orange hair. I can't determine whether it's orange or
Perfect.
red.
Okay, Iron Horse Garage, got a couple stickers.
Hello.
Envelope.
You got to come in.
Thank
You
you
got the
very
same
much.
time Steven did.
Yeah, that worked out perfect.
Thank you.
Isn't that neat? Oh wait, look, here's Big Billy Rebuilds. Look, AJ. Watch. Look at this.
Got some cards here from Big Belly Rebuilds cards. Awesome.
You're missing it, AJ.
And
Look.
some stickers.
This man's reading our mail online. Look at that. I mean, on the.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
So.
Big shout out to them. Check them out.
And then he reads part of our
Check out
letter
all these
too.
guys out.
Oh, cool.
So I'm making this
letter too.
video part
Colors.
of.
I think that's Steven, Ruthie, and AJ here.
Yeah, look at that. He's in
Got some
Canada.
cards here from.
So he's in
Big Belly
Canada.
Rebuilds.
Nice.
And he's showing our cards.
And then some stickers.
Look at that. See?
It's YouTube. Different colors.
And then he reads part of our letter too.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Don't you like his
shout out to
beard?
them.
Look at that.
Check
It's
them out.
bright orange. And
Check out all these guys.
and then he's gonna pick up part of my letter. AJ,
Got
watch.
a letter too.
Watch, Bubby.
Dear Roy Marko, thank you so much for your interest and support in our channel. So we are so close to getting 200 subscribers.
And I wrote that
so
on July the
we're
23rd.
probably getting up there
Now we're at
I've
248
come up
now.
Past that, but that is a long way before we're approaching 1,000, right? So thank you so much. And I hope you get there. I hope you get to 1,000 subscribers.
So he read. So that letter was written. That letter was written on July 23rd, and we didn't even have
Some of these
200,
letters have been sitting
and now
for
we have
2 months
248.
now, so I apologize
And so,
for wanting to get them open.
anyway, thank you, Mr. Roy Marko Garage.
And
Thank
here we
you,
go.
but I mean, so he's
Awesome.
in Canada.
Some stickers.
He's doing a mail call thing. Is what he's doing.
Look at
Awesome.
So,
that. Power Division.
thank you so much, Mr. Marko.
Restoration Service.